How to recover unsaved Excel files. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover unsaved Excel files quickly and easily. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, launch the Microsoft Excel. And once you have opened that, simply click on the file menu in the top left corner. And after that, simply click on Open option from the left panel and a list of recently opened files will appear. Scroll down and look for the option labeled Recover Unsaved Workbooks option. And once you have found that, simply click on it and a new window will open showing all the unsaved files. Simply select the unsaved file that you want to recover and simply click Open, and Excel will restore your work instantly. And that's it. Now you know how to recover unsaved Excel files in just few simple steps. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.